We must also be brave enough to reform military doctrine and practice. We do not face a conventional army on the traditional field of battle. No, we contend against mobile, elusive, irregular forces that disdain the normal rule of warfare. We must adjust accordingly to subdue the menace. This shall require a change in mindset, in strategy, in tactics, in equipment, and in gear. But your strategic objective, the democratic tranquility and prosperity of our nation, shall never change. As Commander-in-Chief, I have given myself the following charge: to deploy the entire machinery of state power to ensure security of our people and property in a just and democratic society. Under my predecessor, the armed forces worked tirelessly towards necessary reform to enhance combat effectiveness and operational capability. We must now pick the pace. My government will continue to support the college by giving due priority to the training and welfare of our armed forces. I promise that. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me now return to the graduates we honor today. I leave you with a charge, much like I give to myself. Your nation has invested in you and your training. Much faith has been placed upon your broad shoulders. Our collective safety rests in your hands. We believe in you because we know you possess the sufficiency of character and skill to see us through challenges. Your graduation today is a call to greater duty for the nation.
The Commander-in-Chief, sir, distinguished invited guests, today's graduation ceremony formally marks the successful completion of yet another senior course. The students seated here have undergone 49 weeks of intense training and academic activities. A total of 291 students will be awarded the distinction of Pass Staff Course today. These include 152 Nigerian Army officers, 68 Nigerian Navy officers, and 45 officers of the Nigerian Air Force. Additionally, there are a total of 12 students drawn from the Defense Intelligence Agency, National Defense College, the Nigeria Police, the Federal Road Safety Corps, the Nigerian Correctional Services, the Nigerian Customs Service, the Department of State Services, and the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps.